So for our final lecture, I'd like to go over what we're doing this week. So as you know, you can just go to class session instructions on Blackboard and then click on the corresponding week, okay? So this is our week. Welcome to Internship and Community Social Services. So you're gonna find different materials for this week, of course, the lectures that you've been watching. But now I really would like to focus on two pieces of, two things that I would like you to do this week. So the first one is for you to sign up for an online discussion leader assignment, right? So remember, you have to lead the discussion once this summer, right? So in order for you to do that, I would like you to copy and paste this link for a doodle poll. And you're going to be able to see, different assignments here. So as you can see at this point, we have 8 students in the class. So there are going to be 5 assignments here that are individual, it's per topic. And then for the last week, we're going to have 3 different presenters. And it's mainly because we have different case studies that we're going to be discussing, case studies for organizations. So just take a look at that. And you'll see the list of topics here. I know that these weeks are not really matching with the dates. I'll change that. But these are really the topics that we'll be talking about, okay? So once you are ready to sign up for the doodle poll, this is going to be updated. So you know that for June 5th, for example, we're going to be discussing the Human Services internship and so on and so forth. So you can take a look at that. This is going to be updated after I finish this lecture, okay? So a couple of things just so you prepare for this discussion leader assignment. I actually created another link here that is called assignment instructions. So if you click there, you can see here just quick instructions on how to prepare to lead the online discussion forum. So I wanted to go over this. So there are a couple of steps that I want you to follow to lead this discussion group. So the first one is to present a brief overview of the reading of the week. And this overview includes 2 things. The first one is a catchy introduction to the topic. So here's where you're going to get your creative juices flowing. I want you to use your imagination. So catchy introduction could be a YouTube video or a video of yourself speaking, a song, a class activity, a poem, whatever your imagination allows you. Okay, so I'm looking forward to that. Second thing after doing that is to present a brief synthesis of the central arguments of the reading. So you have to do the reading and remind us of what the key, takeaways of the reading were. So number 2, you're going to create 3 discussion questions for your classmates to answer. Okay, these discussion questions are based on the reading for that week and the connection between the reading and the internship experience. Okay. Third thing is that you're going to make a comment in each of the discussion threads created by your classmates. So in this case, it's going to be 7 comments in total, not 8, because of course, you're the one presenting, so you're not going to comment on yourself. So it's going to be 7. I'll correct that. Now, something really important here is that you're required to send me an email with the materials and questions that you will use to lead this discussion by Saturday or on the Saturday prior to the week when you're leading. For example, if you're leading the discussion on the week of June 5th, you must send me your materials by June 3rd. And this is so I can upload them and make sure that everyone has access to them, also to give you some feedback in case your questions need a little bit of polishing, or in case you have some questions about how to put together this presentation. Okay, so just have that in mind. So soon, someone is going to sign up for the first online discussion group, and we can have conversations over email about that. Okay. Now I'm going to go back to class session instructions, and quickly I want to go over the assignment for this week. So we're going to have an online forum discussion, and of course this week I created the questions for us to discuss. Okay, so you must participate in this discussion fully by Thursday, May 25th. However, there are 3 different steps that you have to complete at different times during the week. So steps 1 and 2 must be completed by Wednesday, May 24th. And then step 3 must be completed by Thursday, May 25th. So let's go over these steps. Step 1 is to answer the questions that are here, right? You must create your own discussion thread. Make sure the thread has a title that encapsulates the answers to your questions. So you're going to, be thinking about what you're going to be answering and really creating a title based on these experiences that are answering these questions. Step 2 is to respond to one of your classmates' comments with a comment and a question. So here, you're only going to be able to actually respond to your classmates' comments after you have answered all of these questions, okay? So finally, by Thursday, May 25th, you're required to reply to the comment and question that one of your classmates posed, okay? That's all you have to do for this week. And then for the next week, you'll see another lecture, giving you some instructions on what to do. For the next week, we have a reflection paper based on the reading The Human Services Internship, okay? Thank you very much, and please email me if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.